we have a very small range to trade on to. Yes, we have a very small range to trade on to. So what I'm waiting right now is just the 4 hour to form what we call a top wick. Already it has formed a small top wick. When we break the highs of the next candle, I can see 30 minutes. They can trigger me to trend, right? Yes, can trigger me to trend. Can it trigger me to trend? Let me see. So I'm waiting for a top wick to be formed and the break of an eye for me to enter a buy right now. Guys, leave a like, leave a comment every time it's fresh about trending live, guys. So I'm waiting for a top week to be done. After the top week is done, yes, after the break of that eye, I will enter buys, guys. So right now, do I have a range to trend on to, guys? So I don't really have. This is gold. I'm looking the chart of gold instead of. Guys, leave a like, leave a comment every time you stress Kevo trending live, guys. My phone is around three what, 3 what, three. That is about. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'm back, guys. So I have some things here that all right, guys. Let's see how the market is moving. Let's go to GJ, guys. So remember the GJ is the one that is very good. So GJ, we have a very clean range to go sales, guys. We have a very clean range. What I'm waiting right now is just a bottom wick to be formed and the break of an eye. When there is a break of an eye, I will enter buys right now, guys. So remember that there is a very small top wick and remember, mhm, the candle is very strong and the thing is, remember that is the NFP zone, which was which ends some imbalances, and the market will eventually fill that range. That's what I know. We are in the trend and the market will fill that range, guys. With time it will fill that range, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment every time we stretch Kevo trending live on London session, guys. So what I'm waiting, just there will be a very some imbalance, sort of some imbalance, guys. I have some minutes right now, guys, to do on. So guys, all right. So I'm waiting for a top week to be done. After a top week is done, a break of we go the short, guys, every time. Leave a like, leave a comment every time, guys, and that is the plan of the day. Yes, we are feeling the range. After feeling the range, we spot up and fill that range vigorously, guys. Make sure you leave a like and comment every time, guys. It's RESH KEVO trading live on London session. My phone is going off. I'm around two what, 2%, guys. My phone to go off. So, but that is the setup. The setup is just to buy. All right. Let me end the stream. My phone is shutting down. So that is setup. When a bottom week is down and a break of an eye, we enter buyers. There is a clean range to trade on to today. There is no worries, guys. This market will pump up them. The bias is bullish. Let's wait out. Yes, we will feel the range. What we know, we will feel that range today. Yes, we will feel that range today. It's another day, guys. So what I'm waiting for is a very good and strong top week down. Then the market goes up. If the market goes up, it's okay every time, guys. Change up, trend wisely every time, guys. So when the market goes up and pumps up, everything will be okay, guys. Let's wait and see how the market is pumping. All right, all right, all right. Yeah. All right, all right. So let's wait. Just a bottom wick is done. After it's done, yes, break of an eye, we enter the cells. Guys, leave a like, leave a comment every time. And that's what happens every day in the market. And let's see what is happening right now, guys. So we are waiting for a top wick to be done. After a top wick is done, we do what? We enter buys. Right. We will enter buys with a sort of time, guys. Let's see how the market is moving. Remember to leave a like and a comment every time, guys. All right. There's a good bottom week to be done. We are in the top of the range. After forming a very deep top week and a clear confirmation, I will enter the trend. Remember to leave a like and comment every time, guys. Every time I'm live streaming right now, guys, leave a like, leave a comment every time, and that's what happens in the market every day, guys. Yes, we are shooting down. We are shooting down, guys. The 50. We are shooting down. We are shooting down. My phone is dying. Unachanjingi simu guy, kwa nini eh? Eh, itakufa tu saa hii hapa. Mzalendo huwa inashika hiyo simu, itazima. Sikuwa nataka izime. I have some minute kufungua kazi. All right, guys. Let's see how the market is moving. Very nice, guys. So I'm waiting for that market to move down for me to enter an entry, guys. So leave a comment every time, guys. So yes, I'm waiting for that. Yes. All right, guys. So there is a very clean range. Let me show you. There is a very clean range that there is a very clean range. There's a sort of clean range. The camera is clear right now. Let's just wait. I have few minutes, around 15 minutes for me to end up this stream. So let's plan the goals of the day and the setup of the day. Go to other works, right? So remember, remember there is a very clean range on the left side. Yes, here is the clean range. Yes, we have a very clean range on the left side. Right. Here is the clean range. Let me show that clean range. So here is the clean range. Clean range. Even if we are in the top of the range, there is a clean range in the left side, guys. Let me check it in my metadata file. So, right. I'm okay, guys. So no problem. I'm back right now, guys. So remember what? There is a there is a very clean range on the left side here. There is a very clean range, guys. So this clean range here will be filled. Remember, after forming some sort of a bottom width, we will pump here because these are very clean range. And remember, the people that use the smart money concept, they always say about what we call fair value gaps. So for me, my fair value gaps, they are my target where the market can react. So remember, our TP1 will be here, our TP2 at the top of the range. So what I'm waiting right now, guys, let me see in the comment section if you are together, guys, or let me see. So right now, what I'm waiting, guys, is just a bottom width to be done, a bottom width, a small bottom width, then the market pumps up right now. Guys, I'm in sales. Those sales are normal for every move about to happen in London session, guys. Remember to leave a like and comment every time it's just about trending live on YouTube channel, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment every time, guys. The market is pumping in, guys. I'm preparing for London session every time, guys. So what we are waiting right now is the bottom way to be done for us to enter in the trade, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment every time, guys. The plan of the day is just buy. The sales that I'm putting there is the sales of the top week, which means we are, yes, that market will form first bottom weight, a little bottom weight here, and we have entered some small cells. And these cells, when we break the highs of that, I will be out with that cell. Remember my plan of the day, I must work with session, guys. So that trend that I am putting here for the cells, remember this is to catch the move of that is bottom, that is yes, bottom, yes, top week, no, bottom week, guys. So remember, this market cannot move up without going down. Yes, without going down. There is what we call a top week and a bottom week. Remember, for this market to push out here, it should go for the liquidity. And remember, the liquidity is where at these lows here, at these lows here. Remember, the market structure is bullish. So at these lows, when we sweep the liquidity, the market will pump up. Remember, that minute, that 1 hour candle will close bearish, and after closing bearish, guys, we will pump on. When we break this structure, meaning what? After breaking this structure, we will break the highs of the last candle of Asian session, guys. When we break there, we'll pump up the clean zone that was left by the NFP, guys. Remember, when there is imbalance in the market goes back on the range, guys. So the plan of the day, remember in the daily, so the lines that you are seeing there, they are so important. Remember these two lines here, let me indicate them. These two lines here at the top of the range, these are our, these are what, those are my daily target, guys. So that is the TP2. My TP1 is the hub of that range. So we have a free range to trend on to, guys. The market close, the market are open without a bottom to identify what? To identify there is a high volume to fill that range. Remember, those candles, we call them Mazumbe candles, and there is Doji candles, and there is what we call engulfing candles. So this is an example of Mazumbe candles which have or indicate a high volume in the market every time, guys. And this is happening to due to what? To NFP on 1st of August on Friday, guys, last week, guys. So the market will pump up. It will pump up after doing what? After forming some structure down. Yes, right now, that is a very good setup. Remember, that is what we call an A plus setup, guys. That is happening right now, guys. So that is what is happening right now in the market. And let's see, in the next 15 minutes, yes, in the next 15 minutes, we will come up with our entry point and our TP point and stop loss point. After there, guys, we move and wait for the day. If it pays, is okay. If it does not pay, it's okay, guys. Remember, it's a game of risk management, guys. Today I will just do a ratio of 1:2 and give it a shot. Right now I'm in what, in sales in gold. These sales I'm holding here, these are very long term sales. Remember that. This is, remember, these are very long term sales to fill in the NFP part. Remember, the NFP will be filled. Come rain, come short. There is some imbalance that will take place. So those are my cells. Yeah, this is good, guys. Those cells there, we will tap up the TP level. Let me see in comments. If you want to take that shot, take it. It is a pain. Remember, it's a ratio of 1:5. That is a very pain shot. Once it taps my TP, I remember when it taps my TP, that is a weekly target that I have seen in one trade. Remember, today if there is volume in London and there is a volume in New York, we will feel that range. Remember, this is gold. It moves very, very vigorously. Remember, the gold is so volatile, such a way to feel that range, guys. So that is the plan of the that is the plan on gold, and let's see how it happens, guys. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel every time, guys. So very soon, I'm posting a new video on my strategy. That is my A plus strategy that I'm preparing on to, guys. Remember to go and watch the foundations of forex, guys. I have prepared some sort of video that is around that playlist. It contains 10 videos and they are very informative videos, guys. Go and watch them and see what is happening, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment. I can see some people are joining right now, guys. So remember, this is the plan of God, and that is what will happen in the market. And that is the plan of the market, guys. Remember, every day, every time at 6, guys, not exactly 6, because sometimes I'm not okay with network, guys. So let's see how will happen in the market. Yes. Remember, the sales that we took on gold, we took them yesterday, and the market has been raging. So we will be given a shot after retesting that part. Who tells me how that candle will close? On my side, that candle will close bearish on gold. That candle, that London candle will close bearish, and the next candle will close bearish. Remember, we are in the top of the range, guys, and the gold, it respected the market structure every time, and it forms a very clean move because it is a volatile commodity. That is a very volatile metal that is being traded worldwide. Guys, remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel every time, guys. Let's go to NJ and see how the market is moving. So my plan is to go buy on NJ. Yes, right now we are forming what we call an A plus setup, guys. So what I have entered there is a A minus setup, meaning what? The market will go down a little way. That is normal every time for that candle to push up. If you want that candle to push up, you must be you must be patient to wait for that bottom wick to be formed. Yes, you must be patient for that bottom wick to be formed. Once it is formed, everything is okay, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment every time, guys. I will be back soon after some minutes, guys. So that is what we call what? That is what we call engaging candles every time, guys. So the market, that candle has closed a very strong bullish, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment every time. Let's see how what will actually market do after some minutes, guys. Let's the market may pump up very vigorously. Let's see how the market goes. Remember, the structure is what is the structure of the market? The structure of the market, it is the structure of the market. The structure of the market is like that up the top. Remember, this one can be one candle, boom, we are in, or two or three candles. This is a push that will be raised and filled, guys, with time. So I'm RESH KEVO every time. What I know, leave a like, leave a comment every time. That is the plan of London session. The market will form something like this, a very small move here, guys, a very small move. tap up, tap up. That is the plan. Even the New York today, even though the market, this candle shows a very high volume for it to fill here. Remember, we have no, these are low traffic zones. We call them the LTI zone. That is a low traffic zone, guys, that will be filled with time, guys. So I have 5 minutes remaining, guys, to end this stream, but already we have a setup. I have 5 minutes to end the stream, guys. It is already 7:45, 5 minutes remaining. Let's see how the market gives up. I thought I will enter buys right now, set my stop loss, my TP every time, guys, and go to work and see how the market moves every time, guys. Remember, it is sales in gold, buys in AJ. Don't forget, these are two contrary. They goes opposite sales. If you analyze the gold on the opposite side, you can come and take what the opposite trade in AJ. They contrary go opposite. Right now we are in the bottom week. Let's see. Let's see how the market will move. Yes, yes, we can enter sales, but these sales, remember, these sales, this is not a A plus. This is not a A plus what setup, guys. For the sales, I know right now I'm in profit in sales, but they are not the long-term sales. If they will just sell a little well, then we go. Remember, let's see an example. What happens? You sell. These are not long-term. You sell. What happens? Buys take off. You sell, buys come and take. You sell, buys come and take you off. Remember, these are stop loss, stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. So you must go with the market structure. Right now, I'm doing some buy, I'm selling, but remember, those sales are A minus. That's why if you look very well, the lot size is 0.01. That is the lot size that I'm using to sell. I'm just selling for at least 2 to 3 hours. No, yeah, that is 2 hours or for just this one for a little while for at least this part here. And when we break this one and it comes like this, meaning there is what we call a market shift, and there will be no a market shift if we will not fill that range, guys. Remember, we should fill this range here at the top. I can see people are joining me right now, guys. The plan is that don't take that sales with a very big lot. Look, my lot is 0.01, which is very okay. That is very healthy. That is very healthy to this trade. This trade to this account. Remember, this is the profit, guys. This is my profit with some. We have flipped the account actually. We are so in sales we are in profit. We are in profit, which is very okay. The market cannot go up without a bottom wick, but we are in a bottom wick right now. Remember that shows a bottom wick. Why? The candle has closed the 47 minutes ago and it started forming down. So remember, do not be in caught of the top wick. If you are caught in this sales without the plan, remember the stop loss of this sales should be here at the high. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you the stop loss. The stop loss should be here, actually here, and the TP should be here, somewhere here. The TP, let's put it. We're just it has just a demo test. The TP should be there, and see and wait what will happen, guys. We are in sales, but these sales will not last long, guys. But we want to catch a bit of some moves which are very confidential. Remember, we have double top here. This is what we call the people price action traders. Let's see, we have some top here, which we call them what, double top, double bottom. Yes, it's called a double top, double bottom. Let's see how the market moves, guys. So our TP will be here, but that is not our ratio that we want in trading. Our TP will be here. There is no problem. Our TP will be here. I can see some messages, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment. People are what they want to say something. Yes. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. let me take you back, let me take you back to MP5. Guys, 1 minute remaining, 1 minute remaining. We call it a day, we call it a day, right? So I'm not seeing any room for us to go. Just a few minutes remaining, guys. Remember, that is our stop loss, our TP is there. How many says that our TP? Leave a like, leave a comment every time we stress the vote trading live. Guys, a very few minutes remaining for us, guys, to enter that again short, guys. Let's see if the market allows us, guys, to enter buys. Let's see. Remember our confirmation in buys, guys. It is after a very long top week. It's not a bit over. It's a very long top week. Yes. Okay. Eh, I told you again, don't enter the trend without a top week. I will prepare a video on top week, guys. Do not enter a trend without a top week. No top week, no trading. Right now, we are in court of top week, and remember this is our A minus setup, which should happen every day. Let's say, let's take a shot on yesterday. A shot on yesterday. What happened in the market? So the candles of yesterday were here. The candle of yesterday is here. So the candle, let me zoom them. You see very clearly. So yesterday, these are candles that I traded yesterday. Yes, this is what happened yesterday in 4 hours. So a minus, it happened here. This was a minus. I did not take it because there was not that confirmation, but I took a plus, which after break this high, I earned this all profit, and my stop loss was below this candle, meaning what? Even if it went down at a bit of New York, boom. So my TP, I got a good ratio. For today's, I end a room to enter A minus setup, which is very okay. Remember, this is our A minus setup where the market opens. After opening, it forms what? After opening, it forms a top 16. Yes. This candle opens and it starts forming a top wick. So we enter that trend, and once there is a good candle confirmation of a buy at the bottom of the range, we enter that trade right now. So who says that our TP will be 8? Me, I know my TP will be 8 because I know what I'm trading on. I have tested the strategy for the last 2 years, guys. So this is not guys, leave a like, leave a comment. I can see many people are entering when I'm about to end. But leave a like, leave a comment every time, guys. Remember tomorrow we are on live every day, guys. Remember tomorrow we are live 6. Let's say 6 to prepare. That is pre-London, guys. So right now the market is on profit, guys, and we are about to hit the TP. I have entered, I have analyzed the trend right now when you are here, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment every time, guys. And this is what happens in the market every day, guys. So what happens, really happens, is just that the candle is moving down. That is our TP. You can even drag, but remember that is being greed when you drag. So I will manage some profit, though they are small. So this if you look to the history, remember to the history, you can see there is trends that are given by the short of, that is in the lot of one, the lot of one. There is a lot of 0.01. These are A minus setup, 0.01, 0.01, and one lot. So remember 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, guys, 0.011. So an A plus every time I take it by one lot. A minus I take it by 0.01 lot, guys. So and that's what happens, guys, every day. So and you know what, we can manage just that is a week being formed, and this week should be formed when we get a good confirmation to go up to fill this range here. Our plan is to go by to fill this range here, to fill this range here, to tap these key levels here, guys. So right now it's some inducement, which is very okay. We take that shot up to up. So right now I manage some profit. They are so small profit, but they are still they earn something in my account. they earn something and they earn some confidence. So there is a day that I will take me a lot of one in a A minus and a lot of two in a A plus, guys. So remember, it's matter of time and consistency and seeing how the market will move. So if that kind of close is bearish and the next kind of close is bearish, meaning what? We have a very good point for us to go buy right now. You cannot go buy at the top of the range. Remember, the new beginners in this short, they can be caught here, guys. So in the forex trading, you need to have a good trading setup, a good account. You if you are trading with the $10, guys, you will not use a very risk reward. You will go to sleep the account, you will be caught. Like gold, you cannot trade with $10, guys. So you need to find around let's say $500 for you to be in the market. For you to be in the market. Right now I'm in the market and the market is pumping up, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment every time. This is engine, guys. We are pumping down with a lot of 0.01. That is a A minus setup. That is a A minus setup that will come down a little bit. It pumps up. If it pumps up, that is very well, guys. Let's see how the market moves. All right, guys. My time is running. You leave a like and subscribe for tomorrow. We will meet tomorrow and join the next live every time, guys. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'm ending this live here, so I will enter some buys after good confirmation. Yes, after good confirmation. Okay, right, guys. That setup is very clean, very right, guys. So it's not the must it reaches that this TP you can manage. This is our TP1, you can manage here or manage full, guys. This is our A minus setup. So in gold we have taken what? We have taken some sort of buys, but in gold it's a long term. Even though you are seeing that it's a very long term, we'll give it a time. Yes, a lot of one. Let's go to higher time frame. Yes, a very nice move. So our gold trading range is here. The market will pump down, hit our TP, our stop loss is at a logic place, guys. So that is the plan of the day. The market has been ranging. Why? The market has been short of this due to this move of NFP on August. That was every time has made the market to be like that, guys. But today I'm seeing a very good movement and the market gonna go up very vigorously. Let's see how what will happen here. A week is being formed, we pump up very well, guys. We pump up within this range. Remember, right now it's liquidity being taken for the people who went towards long, early longs. This is our trading range. This is our range, guys. I have 3 minutes remaining. No, let me end the stream there. Let me thumbs up every time to